Hi. All right. Pokemon Grandma here. Got some cards to open. I'm on lunch. Cold, raining. Potential for snow today. And it's May. It is May. It's May 2nd. Yeah. Gross. All right. Michigan needs to into shape. But anyways, I got 2 Crown Zenith. And this will be my... It might not be my first. But it also potentially might be my first Scarlet and Violet pack opening. No, I'm pretty sure those are Crown Zenith. I think that's my first Scarlet and Violet. So that's exciting too. Here I already put some Scarlet and Violet, just Scarlet and Violet, no subcategory, in the tin for like future openings. And I haven't even opened one yet. Alright, we got a Shinx, a Whalmer, Meowth. Alright, Baltoy, I literally want another Ball. Nope, wrong. Timber, not Baltoy. I want a Timber Community Day in Pokemon Go because I need that, like bad. I'm so excited for this pack. Alright, we got a Tangela. And there's a little fun fact that probably a lot of you, I don't think I've ever honestly said it. Hoopa is one of my favorite. Like newer gen, one of my favorites. Like it's not uncommon for me to just be in my kitchen and go, Hoopa! Hoopa alley-oop! Or, you get it. Now I'm on the spot, I messed it up, but I don't normally mess it up. Anyways, I just got a Hoopa V-Star Unleashed. Hoopa Unleashed. Oh, that is beautiful. I'm so excited for that one. Alright, good pack. Tauros. Green Energy. Great Ball. Gloom. It looks honestly like it just got punched or something and it's like heading on the way down. Friends and Sinnoh. Alright. Good little pack. And I actually, before I do anything else so it does not get messed up, I have tins that I still never took in that are in my little purse pouch. I can never open these. And I'm putting them safe and secure in that tin. We ain't messing that up. Alright. My next Crown Zenith pack is, we have a Pawniard. Oh, I just messed that up. A Snorunt. Pancham, which I just realized that I've never evolved a Pancham in Pokemon Go. Nope, I haven't done it. A Shinx. A Wooloo. Hey, these are some good cards, man. We got another full art, a Comfey. Look at that. Not shabby. I've been holding on to these packs for a while, y'all. They've been on my dining room table. They've been in my purse. They've been on my passenger seat for a while. I got a Lipard, a Blue Energy, a Lairon, trekking shoes. Oh, I kind of like the art on this one, actually. And a Dusclops. Like a full card art with that sort of background, shiny, would be pretty cool. Alright. Heck yeah. Crown Zenith packs, honestly, guys, they've treated me so well. So well. So I have real high hopes and expectations for the Scarlet and Violet series. Don't. Alright. Are you really about to pinch cards? Alright, and then Scarlet and Violet. The first pack opening. Let's see what happens. The packaging on this is honestly more sturdy, which is just weird, but you guys, they're like gray surround. Oh, I like these so far. Alright, Curlia. Look at that. They're switching things up. A Switch. A Fuecoco. A Tropius. Stone Journey. Right, got a Penny. A Metachan. And you guys, because I just also got like a little peek. It has 3 shinies in here. What? Alright, got a Floatzel. Look at the art on that card. Got a Floette. Very cool. And a Meowscarada. Masquerada. I'm probably mispronouncing that, which is real bad because that's the one I chose. And a Blue Energy. All right, you guys. Honestly, being it's the first, do not fall. Being it's the first, that's not horrible. I will take it. I will cherish it. All right, I am literally out of time though. I'm actually late coming back from my lunch, so if you're opening up any cards, show your Pokemon grandma. I'm very interested, especially with the new packs. Show me what you got. Tell me what you got. Like, tell me. All right, so enjoy your day. Hopefully it's warmer where you're at in like actually May. And peace.